I'm bummed. This is video number 4. Number 4. I've tried to shoot 4 videos. Let me walk you through what these 4 videos looked like. One had too many location switches and problems with lighting and wind. The other one was just bad. It was awful. I switched camera angles too many times. And let me show you what that looks like. That looks like that. And the last one was great. It was going to be fine. There was a long pause I had that I wanted to edit out, and due to technical difficulties, I didn't edit out that part. I took out the rest of the video that I wanted to keep. Okay. Now I'm going to sing a song about that. Technical difficulties, technical difficulties, technical difficulties, technical difficulties. Yeah. Okay. So, these videos are going to be testers. That basically will tell me whether or not I want to keep doing this. If I get a lot of views, then I will keep doing this. And if I don't get a lot of views, then I won't keep doing this. Yeah. So tell your friends about my videos. Tell your friends and tell your family and watch the videos 3 times so that I know whether or not I should keep doing this. And tell me what you want to see me do. I will do almost anything you want. Like my math teacher always says, it has to be it has to be both legal and moral. And my moral code applies here to anything you want me to do. So yeah, give me some ideas of what you want to see. I'm also going to focus on the life of a nerd and the life of a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. That word was Jesus, not just... So, yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing with my videos. I probably should be doing my homework right now, but I'm doing this instead, so I love you. Okay, tell your friends to watch my videos because I want them to be good. My camera is my phone right now, and that's not the best thing to do, but it is what it is. This is the only camera that has halfway decent quality, so this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, bye! No, that's not what I'm gonna do. This is me calling it quits. Bye!